Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your menu transparency. As you can see, our settings menu transparency is now 0. So at first we have to enter this menu by using the button. We have to double click this button and scroll down to menu. We have to click on this menu. And here we have to scroll down to menu transparency. Here we can click to change it. As you can see, it works like that. Up and down, up and down. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.